ShortMeTina once again from ShortMeTina.com with my nightly recap. We're going to kick it off. In my opinion, market wasn't all that exciting today. So kicking it off with the S&P 500, the SPY. Again, you're looking at a daily chart dating back to 2017. I'm not going to rehash everything that I've been stating for the past 2 months. If you're curious, head on over to ShortMeTina.com or go to our YouTube page at ShortMeTina and just listen to the last, I want to say, you could even listen to just the video I did yesterday and you'll get a sense of what I'm paying attention to. So we're above resistance here of around 260, right? It was once resistance when we hit that December low of 234. Considering we are above it, it is now support. We closed at 263.41. So we're down. You can say we're essentially flat on the day. We've spent the past 4 or 5 days consolidating, and I kind of like that. I want us to digest this massive move we've had since bouncing off of those December lows. If we can continue to consolidate, I am almost 100% certain we are going to retest at minimum 280. So granted, it hasn't been much excitement, but that's okay. I want the market to continue consolidating. What else do we have? All right, IWM, so we're above, similar to SPY, we're above sort of that crucial resistance level. It's now support for IWM. That number comes in at 145. So we've actually managed to remain above 145 for a bit, and we're consolidating around that area. I think this bodes well for the next leg up. What else do we have? All right, CRON, what a monster, right? So just to recap, we're up actually very nicely since going long CRON back in August with a buy zone of around, I want to say 550. We're up something like, what is it, 200 to 300%. It's a massive move from $5, right? Today we went as high as 1948 and we pulled back, right? So the pullback is to be expected. Confirming volume here, definitely some profit taking. Makes sense because the stock is up something like 100%, right? From December lows of around 956, we went as high as 948. That's a 100% move in less than a month. Obviously, it's going to digest that move. As long as it can stay above this breakout area of $14, I think we're going to see that initial target that I threw out there. I think it was 20 to 22. We got as high as 1950 today. So I still think that this, I still think CRON has more legs, but caution here, okay? I think you can expect a pullback. What else do we have? All right, AMD. Earnings, not what everyone expected. Even with that said, the stock is up in after hours. The last quote that I just saw was around $20.80. We closed at 19. I don't know. I sometimes I think like my mouth, right? I think my mouth operates independently from my mind, right? Because sometimes it just goes and I don't know what it's saying. And anyway, at any rate, so after hours, we're up about 3 to 4%. Last quote I saw was around $20.80. We closed at 19.25. I think the writing is on the wall for AMD. I know I've been an advocate in terms of shorting this. I think their moment, their day of reckoning is on the horizon. Pay attention tomorrow. I would short hand over fist. What else do we have? Ticker NBEV. We're down, as with other sort of pot stocks, down about 3% on the day, sitting here at 687. Overall, the chart still looks fair. Again, I don't really like the volume. I wish more buyers would come in for me to feel confident going long. But in terms of the chart, it does look very bullish. So I would say be cautious, but definitely continue to watch ticker NBEV. Put it on your watch list. What else do we have? All right, ticker ACB. As with the other sort of pot stocks, had a bit of a sell-off today. We're down about 3% on the day, closed at 689. Like I indicated yesterday, longer term I am bullish, and as long as ticker ACB can remain above, let's say, that high 4s, low 5 areas, I'm going to remain bullish, right? As long as it can remain above that high 4, low 5 areas, I'm going to remain bullish. Sitting here at 689, I wouldn't necessarily jump in here again to put things in your favor. Buy as close to support as possible. But again, I remain bullish on ticker ACB. What else do we have? All right, ticker CGIX. Let's round it out with this. Daily chart, but let's focus in on price action dating back to October of 2018. So that's about 3 to 4 months. We're down about north of 16% on the day, closed at 26 cents. Believe it or not, again, I'm not a fan of penny stock, but there is a trade to be made. I think we'll see a bit more of a sell-off tomorrow, but if you buy support, you might get that slight bounce if you're looking to jump in. Again, I don't particularly like penny stocks. They're very volatile. As you can see, we're down 16% in one day, but if you're looking for a trade on the long side, you can wait until it hits support of around 20 cents and go long. And let's cap it there. ShortMeTina from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any portion of this video, I want you to do 2 things for me. 1, head on over to my YouTube page at ShortMeTina, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. I do videos every single day. This ensures that you do not miss any. Then head on over to ShortMeTina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support.